I'm back at Walgreens with deals that you can do from the 3rd to the 9th of September 2023. The first thing I'm picking up is 2 of these Dawn dish liquids. They are on sale for $1.24. Buy 2, get a $1 register reward. 2 of these will total me $2.48. I'll get back a $1 register reward. Final cost $1.48. This is going to be my first transaction so that I can use a register reward that printed for me to earn 10% back in Walgreens Cash all month because it's my birthday month. So happy birthday to me. So I'm going to be using this as just a small little transaction to make sure that's activated. So now I'm going to get started on my next transaction, and I'm going to be doing the Febreze deal. So when you buy 3 Febreze products, you're going to get a $4 register reward. That includes the air effects, the car clips, the small spaces, and the fabric spray. So I'm actually going to grab 3 of the fabric sprays for $3.29 each. 3 of these will total me $9.87. I have a digital 230 off 1 coupon in the Walgreens app that I clipped, and then I'm going to use 2 of these $2.30 off 1 paper coupons from last week's inserts. So after coupons, that'll leave me to pay $2.97, getting back a $4 register reward, final cost free, and a $1.03 moneymaker. The next deal I'm going to work on is the Tresemme deal. They are on promotion for buy 2, get a $5 register reward. So I'm going to pick up 2 of the Tresemme products for $7 each. That'll total me $14. I have a 4 off 2 digital coupon in the Walgreens app that I'm going to use. So that'll leave me to pay $10. I'll get back a $5 register reward. Final cost $5 for both, or $2.50 each. Now I'm going for the styling products because I already have plenty of shampoo and conditioner in my stockpile. Now there is more than one Tresemme coupon. I believe there's one for the shampoo and conditioners and one for the stylers. So you're going to want to pick up 2 to get your register reward back. Just make sure that they are 2 from the same coupon so that they come off. So either 2 shampoo and conditioner or 2 styling products. So I'm going to finish out this transaction with these food storage bags. They are on promotion for buy 1 at $2.79 and get 2 free. That includes the sandwich bags, the snack bags, the quart bags, and the freezer bags. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 snack bags and 1 sandwich bag because my son loves bringing snacks to school, and it's just cheaper for me to buy the larger bags like goldfish and chips and to portion them out into smaller sizes for his lunch. The last thing I'm picking up today is the Old Spice deodorant, and they are on promotion for buy 3, get a $5 register reward. So I'm going to pick up 3 deodorant at $6 each. That will total me $18. I have a $5 off 3 digital coupon in the Walgreens app, so that'll leave me to pay $13 out of pocket. I'll get back a $5 register reward for buying 3, and then I'm going to submit to Ibotta for $4 back on 2 of them. So that will make my final cost $4 for all 3, or $1.33 each. That will complete my Walgreens haul for today. So I ended up having a lot of problems with this transaction, one of them being that my paper coupons for the Febreze were just not scanning. They were in date. I did buy the correct product, and the manager did verify that, so he did a price adjustment, but because of that, I also didn't get the Walgreens cash back for my spend 20 get 5 booster. So that was a problem. And then I ended up having problems with the Old Spice transaction, and I ended up abandoning that also because my digital coupons were not coming off of that. And yes, I did go back and grab a 3rd one. I realized in this shot I only have 2, but I did actually purchase 3. So there were just a lot of issues going on with Walgreens. One other thing I wanted to mention was that I was trying to roll some register rewards in to pay, but unfortunately, like my paper coupons, the Walgreens system just kept rejecting my register rewards as well. The only one that scanned was the birthday coupon. I actually did this transaction yesterday on Sunday, so hopefully they've resolved some of these issues, but I might actually try to go back and do a midweek haul and try to redo some of these deals on a different card. So that's all for today. Let me know if you visit Walgreens this week if they've resolved the coupon issue. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and I appreciate you so much. Have a great day.